Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to Domino's. We're going to get one of their sandwiches. This is the buffalo chicken sub sandwich. Is it good? Stay with us. We'll let you know. Here we are, Domino's. Now their sandwiches come in a little small box like their pizzas, but the pizza's box is bigger. So, all right, let's see what we can do here. This is the buffalo chicken. See if I can remember what all's in it. Chicken, grilled chicken, cheese, onions. That looks to be about like it, but it comes with ranch dressing and the buffalo sauce. So we'll let you know how it is. You tried this yet? If you haven't, you need to check it out. Let us know what you think about it, okay? If there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below, see if I can get it up there for you. We're pretty good about that, okay? All right, let's get us by this. Got it over the napkin because it drips. See all that in there? Is that chicken, onions, cheese? Got a mystery drink again today. What is it? The chicken sticking out of there? Chicken. Pretty good. Not real crisp and hard like I thought it might be when they run through the oven. Actually pretty good. What's the mystery drink? You know, I watched them make this sandwich. What they do, they open the sandwich bread up, spread everything on it they're going to put on it, run it through the oven with it open, right through the oven, just like they do their pizza. When it comes out, they fold it shut, cut it in half, put it in a box. There it is. Bread gets a little crispier, but yeah, it's going through that 450-degree oven. You see all that chicken in there? Quite a bit of it. I need another mystery drink. What is it? Leave me a comment down below if you think you know. Looks like 2 cups of cheese is in there. Well, it looks like provolone. The other looks like a cheese blend. The buffalo sauce, not too bad. I'm surprised. I thought it might be hot. But it's only hot temperature-wise. I'm not a big fan of those buffalo sauces. Some of them are pretty hot, too much for me. This one doesn't seem to be that hot, so a little bit of kick, but Getting close to finishing this first half. I don't know if I can eat that whole second half. Bread gets a little tough on the corners and all. Well, that's that 450-degree oven. All right, have you tried this yet? If you haven't tried it, go check it out and let me know what you think about it, okay? Actually, I think it's pretty good because I'm a big chicken fan, so I think it's pretty good. If you have tried it, leave me a comment and tell me what you thought, okay? Did you like it, love it, hate it, whatever? Almost done with that half. Like I said, don't know if I'll be able to eat that other half, though. That piece of chicken right there. Whoa, can you see that? Look at that big chicken. All right, y'all go check out our playlist. This will be under Domino's. Everybody has their own. Domino's, Subway, Dairy Queen, all that, okay? Also be under Taste Test, because everything's under Taste Test. This last bite. Okay, how are we going to rate this? On a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being, throw it away. 5 being, yeah, buddy. Won't quite make a yeah, buddy, but it is pretty good. I could go 3.5 to a 4 area in there. If the bread wasn't quite so hard around the edges on some of it, I could go a little higher. But hey, that's the way it's cooked, okay? Nothing you can do about that. So go check out our playlist. Something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below. See if I can get it up here for you. I'm pretty good at that, as long as they're within driving distance. We live out in the country, so hour one way is a little bit far, okay? But if we're over there, we'll do it. So leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to see, what you think. The opinion is, excuse me, the rating is my opinion and my opinion only. So yours may differ. If it does, that's fine. Leave me a comment and let me know. Did you like it better? Did you like it worse? Did you like it, love it, hate it, whatever? Just leave me a comment anyway, okay? All right. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. A lot up there and a lot more coming. So see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.